Hello and welcome to AspireVision, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of science, technology, health, space, and personal growth. I'm your host, and today we're going to talk about robotics. Robotics is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robots are machines that can perform tasks that are usually done by humans or animals, such as moving, sensing, manipulating, communicating, and learning. Robots have been around for decades, but in recent years they have become more advanced, intelligent, and versatile. Thanks to the rapid development of artificial intelligence, computer vision, machine learning, sensors, actuators, and materials, robots can now do things that were once considered impossible or impractical. In this video, we will look at some of the latest advancements in robotics and how they are impacting various domains of our society. Let's get started. One of the most promising areas of robotics is healthcare. Robots can assist doctors and nurses in performing surgeries, diagnostics, rehabilitation, and patient care. For example, a team of researchers from MIT developed a new technique that uses AI to control a robotic arm that can perform delicate tasks such as suturing wounds or removing tumors. A company called Intuitive Surgical created a robotic system called Da Vinci that allows surgeons to operate on patients remotely using a console and a 3D camera. A group of scientists from Harvard University created a soft robot that can squeeze into tight spaces and deliver drugs or monitor vital signs inside the body. Another domain where robotics is making a huge difference is manufacturing. Robots can help factories produce goods faster, cheaper, safer, and more efficiently. For example, a company called Boston Dynamics developed a robot called Spot that can navigate complex environments and perform tasks such as inspecting pipelines, carrying payloads, or assisting workers. A startup called VO Robotics created a system that uses sensors and AI to enable humans and robots to work together safely and collaboratively on the factory floor. A team of engineers from MIT designed a new method for creating ultra-strong and lightweight structures using kirigami, a Japanese paper-cutting technique. A third domain where robotics is revolutionizing the world is entertainment. Robots can provide fun and engaging experiences for people of all ages and backgrounds. For example, a company called Disney Research created a robot called Stickman that can perform acrobatic stunts such as flips and somersaults in midair. A group of researchers from ETH Zurich developed a drone that can race against human pilots using AI and computer vision. A team of artists from Japan created a robot called Alter that can generate its own expressions and movements based on its surroundings and interactions with people. These are just some of the examples of how robotics is changing the world. There are many more applications and possibilities for robots in domains such as education, agriculture, transportation, security, exploration, and more. Robotics is not only a fascinating field of technology, but also a powerful tool for solving some of the biggest challenges and opportunities facing humanity today. As robots become more capable, affordable, and accessible, they will have a profound impact on our lives and society. What do you think about robotics? Do you have any questions or comments? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching AspireVision. See you next time.